In this video, I'll show you how to use Forma board as a virtual pinup wall that ties together your workflow in ACC. From your Forma homepage, you can create a new board by clicking the blue button at the top right corner and selecting Board. You will need to choose a hub for it and either add the board to an existing project or create a new project for it. Add the relevant project information such as project name and access level, then click Create. Here you can invite your colleagues and key stakeholders to the project containing your board. Just enter their email addresses in this box and manage their roles, then click Invite. Now from the project overview page, go to the Create in this project section and click the Board tab. You will be redirected to the board canvas with an introduction frame. Take a moment to review it and watch the video to learn more about Forma board capabilities. Now I'm only highlighting one way of using it. In the left sidebar, click the Docs icon, then click the blue Add File button to access your hubs in Autodesk Docs. In the window that opens, you can toggle between hubs from the top left corner and browse for the files you would like to include in your virtual pinup. In this video, I'm using a Revit demo project, so I'll select the Revit file and click Add. This widget shows up on my canvas. Now I'll double-click that and it will give me an interactive view into the Revit model without needing to exit the Forma board. From here, I can orbit and zoom to my desired view and go to the top right corner of this window where it says Add to Board and click Current View. I'll change the angle and readjust the view and click that button again. Now when I close this window, I'll have two saved model views on the board, which I can move and resize freely. Next, I'll double-click the Revit widget again. I'll go back to the Add to Board section, but this time I'll choose Sheets. This opens a list of the Revit sheets for this model that have already been published to Autodesk Docs. I'll deselect all of them and only checkmark the ones I want to include in my pinup and click Add. Just like the model views, the sheets I selected now appear on my board, so I'll rearrange everything the way I would for a design review or critique. As I move the widgets on the board, snapping guides appear to help me align everything to maintain a neat display. Now I'll use the toolbar to add some annotations. All of these tools are familiar and easy to use, such as post-it notes, annotation clouds, arrows, and text. One particularly useful tool is Comment. It allows you to tag project members and draw their attention to specific areas. When you post the comment, they will receive an email notification and they can respond in the same thread so your conversations remain streamlined. And just like that, you've brought your pinup into the cloud for seamless collaboration and review.